about 2.5 hours south of Metro Manila. Nandirito po ang buong puwersa ng inyong Sports 5. Tututok sa lahat ng magaganap sa napakagandang probinsya ng Quezon. Laban ng Sapula, Sapote mula dito sa Lucena sa loob ng Quezon Convention Center. First quarter of action, the Alaska Aces got off to a hot start. Lumamang tanga po yan ng hanggang 12 puntos. Doon nagising ang San Miguel Firme.
Yep, San Miguel, they responded by playing better defense, moving the ball. Yung second unit nila na we've been criticizing a lot throughout the finals, stepped up and came to play, especially in that first half.
Natapos ang first quarter, lamang ng tatlong Alaska, 2017. Grabe naman yung tira na yun ni Alex Cabagnot for their 17th point heading into the second frame.
Huge second quarter naman ang ipapakita dito ng Spearmen. Magud, they are going to score 23 points dito as against the 11 points lamang ng Alaska Aces off of plays like that. Beautiful turn spin move galing dito kay Ryan Aranya.
Ryan Aranya, Chris Lutz, so many different guys really helping San Miguel.
Kaya nga pinupuri natin in that second quarter yung bench crew netong SMB, no, they really provided the fireworks.
Tama ka, 10 points nung halftime yung taong yun, si J.R. Reyes. Pero yun na nga, nawala siya nung third quarter.
10 yung abante ng SMB to enter the second half. Calvin Abueva starting to go to work. Nasabon at nasyampo nga sila ni Coach Alex Compton noong halftime break. Kinekwento ni Vic Manuel and everybody answered the call.
Story of the first half, the bench of San Miguel. Second half, the bench of Alaska coming alive. Vic Manuel, Calvin Abueva, RJ Azul. Ito, ganda ng pick and roll na to. Ang pasa para kay Gabby Espinas.
Digdigan yung ating labanan. 3-point ball game lang heading into the final 12 minutes dito sa Quezon Convention Center. And with 9:35 remaining in the game, nakikita natin, yun na po yung binabanggit ni Jolly. J.R. Reyes securing the rebound, trying to protect against Manuel. Tumama yung sigo niya sa panak.
Medyo nanggigil that time. Ito si J.R. Reyes. Hawak na niya yung rebound. All he had to do was pull it to his chest. Pero yung nilitaw niya pa yung sigo niya. Sampun sa mukha that time si Vic Manuel.
At doon nag-iba yung timpla nga para dito sa San Miguel Firmen. Alaska more than happy to capitalize.
Yep, they were able to get that 4-point. Pero ito, San Miguel, you have to see it again. They're up by 1 minute 40 seconds. Same story as games 1 and 2. They could have won it, but no. The end, Alaska, RJ Azul making those 2 big baskets to give them that 3-point cushion before, few free throws to close this game out.
RJ Azul standing tall, huge hits in the end, and he helps the Aces to a 3-0 lead. 82-75 ang ating final score.